Hello everyone. Trucks and heavy equipment at work. Let's go.
Dirt road and had a terrible accident with the bulldozer. The road was slippery and a whole bunch of cars fell into the hole. No way out.
Steep slopes going up and down, old cars are difficult to travel. Currently, people are having a hard time going up and down. During work, the driver overloaded the soil without thinking ahead, leading to trouble with the boss. While the excavator cannot handle the load exceeding the weight, leaving the truck to fend for itself in muddy weather and terrain, considering the load capacity is of utmost importance. Witness the horror scene when the bridge expert did not calculate the damage to the truck, and the bridge was severely damaged. The job of an excavator to demolish a building is very difficult, but who knows when it will come to the excavator driver. One touch of a button will cause a big house to collapse, and many people will be injured. Oh no, while other countries don't have cars to move. Due to the bridge's deterioration over the years, panic broke out and people ran away, not knowing what was happening. People have named this road the Haunted Road because cars passing through here must go through a difficult challenge. Drivers must have a high level of experience to be able to pass this pass. If you find this moment interesting, please like and subscribe to the channel to watch the next attractive video. While cleaning in high places, especially on mountains, it is impossible to avoid unexpected risks.
Tension rises with every second. Just one slight mistake while taking the curve, and disaster strikes instantly. The consequences are beyond imagination: destroyed cargo, overturned vehicles, and a real threat to both life and property. This isn't just a road, it's a true test of composure, skill, and courage. When facing these deadly turns, stay calm, hold the wheel tight, because one moment of panic could cost you everything. Absolutely terrifying. Oh my God, the truck looked like it was headed straight for disaster. But somehow, the mountain spirits must have been watching over it. In the blink of an eye between life and death, the driver and the vehicle narrowly escaped tragedy, as if pulled back from the edge of doom. A heart-stopping moment that leaves anyone watching completely speechless. Unbelievable. A single excavator, weighing twice as much as two cranes combined, was brought in as a desperate gamble. And the result? All three paid the price. This wasn't just a rescue. A heart-stopping moment. The brake line snapped. The truck began to plummet down the slope out of control, and the driver made a split-second decision to jump out. It was a smart and decisive move in a no-win situation. Money can be earned again, but life only gives you one chance. A life or death decision where instinct took over. And staying calm made the difference between survival and tragedy. The pedestrian's quick reaction saved his life. The HSM 904 logging machine is putting its brute strength on full display. In front of it lies a massive timber log weighing several tons. Yet for the HSM 904, it's like a warm-up session, pulling it with ease. The tracks grip steadily. The pull remains strong as this beast of a machine powers up the steep slope effortlessly. This is the true power of modern engineering, where steel and precision work together to conquer the wild. Looks like he ran quickly to get to the party. What a beautiful road. No mud, no potholes, not a single flaw in sight, but apparently the truck driver wasn't a fan of perfection. He decided to leave his mark, digging in, getting stuck, and quite literally reshaping the ground, as if to say, I was here and I made sure you'd remember it. A memorable moment, perhaps a bit costly, but definitely one for the history books. Oh my God, that's insanely dangerous. A sharp curve on a winding mountain road, and the driver is racing at 120 kilometers per hour while hauling a massive excavator weighing several tons. A serious reminder, better to arrive late than never arrive at all. An absolutely death-defying maneuver crossing a rickety wooden bridge where every step could mean the difference between life and death. Yet he moved with precision, guiding the vehicle like he was doing a morning workout, no hesitation, no panic. This wasn't luck, it was pure skill, confidence, experience, and total control, a breathtaking performance that left everyone holding their breath.
A sudden accident that left me breathless when the crane operator misjudged the load. Luckily, no one around was affected, and I was able to eat dinner with my family. The peaceful space suddenly had an uninvited guest come and turn the quiet place into a crowded space in a few seconds. Maybe the machine got bored with the trash and self-destructed the system. An unusual action of the driver suddenly cornered and plunged into the water. The cause was found to be due to the driver getting stuck in the center of gravity while cornering, leading to the above situation. Luckily, no one was injured. Oh my God. Horrific accident on the bridge. The heavy truck suddenly lost its brakes, causing a series of collisions with vehicles traveling in the same direction. The scene was chaotic. Fortunately, no one was injured. The beautiful sunset scene was interrupted by an impolite visitor causing panic. Luckily, the truck fell in a crowded place and was pulled up safely for the long trip. I watched, and he watched. I think he should learn from it. Luckily, he is safe. A moment of excitement. I was excited every second waiting for the result. And then boom! Oh my God. A house that is not yet degraded, but is broken by heavy machinery. The sound of broken walls echoes the place that used to be a home, today has become a desolate place. Today is a miserable day when the tour group has to stay here. The plan is to walk and enjoy the book. To get the beautiful blocks of wood, they had to go through many dangerous hill climbing challenges. In the moment of danger, the driver saw clearly what happened and quickly got out of the cabin and was safe. The scene was horrifying. The nerves couldn't bear the rope. Luckily, no one was there. The journey across here is a daily challenge. So many vehicles have to be modified here so that people can travel normally.
Lah, supirnya nggak apa-apa ya bosku.
The truck was speeding and for some reason he was careless and hit the bridge. Oh my God, need a cleaning couple to come to the scene to work. Still, this road every day there are 2 or 3 cars cannot cross. What want to mention is the road and terrain.
Astagfirullahaladzim.
In a moment of loss of control, the safest thing to do is to get out of the cabin, and he did it very well. Off-road machines do not mention their strength, but strength is not the key to everything. When competing, you have to use your driving skills. The car tried to climb the hill, roaring and howling, stepping on the gas at full power. This was very dangerous and could have even caused an explosion. Luckily, he stopped in time. While driving a tank of septic tank water, the driver commented on the top of the list and advised the whole street to sink and tell the angels to give it away for free. Working still-moving trucks in the rainy season is difficult when there is a tractor to support the strong but not feasible. Everything is illegal and give up in the wet weather, muddy ground. Oh my God, a moment of unplanned movement. A major malfunction caused the car to overturn, and then the scene of village love and friendship beautified the whole country. Car rescue turned out to be worse than before. Oh no. Oh, the car went down so fast it was impossible to save the situation and had to abandon it. Really a panic steering? In the moment of urgency, the driver chose the right path. Due to his working skills and love for the job, he only used one button to complete the work of 10 people in 1 week. The reason the man chose to be so stupid was because he watched the show and followed it. If he just stepped on the gas a little more, he could have avoided the consequences.
Not only was the vehicle in pieces, but the crash also caused a massive traffic jam across the entire route. While waiting for authorities to arrive, local residents took matters into their own hands, bringing in another truck to help with the rescue. The result, a scene of total chaos, but also one of community spirit. Shouting voices, spinning wheels, clouds of dust. The street turned into a mini battleground as everyone worked together to reclaim the road. Oh no, the girl had escaped death in fear. A truck carrying highly flammable materials plunged into a roadside ditch. This was an extremely high-risk situation. Just one tiny mistake, 1 second of misjudgment, and it could have triggered a massive explosion. The rescue operation was launched urgently, but had to be executed with absolute precision. No room for panic. Every hook, every lift, every movement had to be measured, down to the centimeter. For 5 tense hours, traffic was completely shut down. The entire road held its breath, waiting for a safe resolution, because here, even the smallest error could have meant disaster.
Oh my, oh my god.
Oh, I flipped over because I lost my balance. At first glance, the vehicle seemed light and easy to recover, but in reality, it was a risky operation requiring precision and experience. Fortunately, a specialized crane was brought in for the job, and with just a few well-executed professional maneuvers, everything was handled swiftly and efficiently. What looked like a complicated scene was resolved thanks to expertise, modern equipment, and calm coordination. Just one wrong move, one slip, and the vehicle vanished off the cliff, leaving behind shock, silence, and a lesson etched in memory. The Tiger Cat 720G, a tireless beast of a machine, it's performing tasks that would take dozens of humans, cutting trees, clearing timber, maneuvering through terrain with ease. Every movement is bold, every cut is precise. The Tiger Cat 720G moves like a predator in the forest, and nothing stands in its way. This isn't just a machine, it's a forest-conquering powerhouse, engineered for dominance. And this is the root cause of the incident: a weak and leaking hydraulic lift system. Ben. Oil. A masterclass in driving under pressure. With razor-sharp focus and a lightning-fast steering maneuver, the driver managed to save both vehicles from the jaws of death. Gazadko. Next. This is no ordinary test run. Here, heavy-duty machines are pushed to the limit in extreme terrain and harsh weather conditions. This is where power meets purpose and technology proves its worth in the real world. A powerful crane entered the scene and performed the impossible. Every movement was precise, down to the millimeter, lifting the truck as if it were an egg. Controlled and powerful. Absolutely brilliant, a demonstration of true skill, engineering, and machine strength. That's the end of today's video. I truly appreciate your support. It motivates me to keep creating exciting new content. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss the next thrilling episode.
The moving unit was still subjective when the sugarcane market thought it was light. Suddenly, a high stump caused the car to suddenly take off, and everything needed a crane.
เอาใหม่ท่านผู้ชม
A seemingly easy job, but with many hidden risks. Sometimes just a small slap makes everything perfect. Is this a coincidence or a milestone? If anyone knows, please leave a comment below the video. In such harsh terrain, it is still very difficult to move wood, but the driver is a professional driver. You should not follow him in any way. This is only for experts. Motorbikes violate 30% of the traffic, so it is necessary to break up the garbage and scrap metal. So the engineer used a bulldozer to carry out the task, and at the same time test the machine's strength, the moment of shaking the motorbike. A professional situational awareness when being given a safe shot and the next brake path. A dramatic moment when the excavator unit hit the weakest point of the building, and everything collapsed in the admiration of many people who were witnessing. Oh my God, from afar, do you see something in it? Leave your thoughts in the comments below. The unique two-machine combination performance is beautiful and unique. The extra slapping motion destroys the building in just a split second. A beautiful and expensive moment. Oh my God. Carrying a machine weighing tons, can the driver perform the stunt across this wooden bridge? I think not. The safe landing performance after a flight around the world with a positioning error, this proves the pilot's extraordinary skills and professional situational awareness, a beautiful landing moment. This is really fun when the exhaust pipe is heard loudly. The whole neighborhood hears the engine roaring like a beast. Smoke shoots everywhere, creating a bustling scene. I think it should be rebuilt, and you should wear protective masks because the smoke can be harmful to your health. The monster machine is crushing a car like rolling a wheel. The specialized sand machine for construction has a powerful engine, is fast, compact, and flexible. Majestic natural scenery, the forest blends with nature to create a beautiful masterpiece. The sound of howling black smoke like a 100-meter long ocean. A beautiful moment without a second thought. The helicopter suddenly lost balance and crashed violently, creating a terrible scene in front of hundreds of witnesses. Modern technology has taken up 40% with the two-engine yacht and passenger car combined to create a masterpiece in today's technology. A delivery was stopped after falling off a challenging mountain pass, requiring professional skills and reasoning, so a car had to be called for help. One phase of the tank without any extra slap professionally shows that the driver calmly performed a beautiful cornering performance. Just one wrong slap, everything will turn out badly. There is no way to save the life. The video only ends here. If you find the video good, don't fall, or give the channel one like and follow the channel to develop. Goodbye.